Required ingredients are ginger garlic paste, eggs, tomato, onion, curd, rice, mint leaves, green chilli, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, red chilli powder, lemon, curry leaves. First of all, I'm going to turn it to saute mode. And allow it to preheat. Now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of oil. And add curry leaves. And 3 half-slit green chilies. Fry them. Now take 1 medium-sized chopped onion and fry it until they are golden brown. As you can see, the onions are turned golden brown. Later, now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it at least 30 seconds. Add mint leaves. Later, add tomato. Fry the tomato until they turn mushy. I'm going to allow this to cook at least for 3 minutes. As you can see, the tomatoes have turned soft. Now I'm going to take it all the paste to one side. And on the other side, I'm going to fry eggs. Now, I'm going to add half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt it, later 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder. Now mix it properly. Later, add 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it. Later, add 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now add half a cup chopped coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons curd. Mix it all together. Now you can see the mixture has turned quite well. Now I'm using 2.5 cup basmati rice which I had soaked for 30 minutes before. For 2.5 cups of rice, I'm using 3.5 cups of water. Finally, give it a good stir. And garnish some chopped coriander leaves. Now cancel the saute mode and select the ultra mode and allow this to cook for 7 minutes on a high pressure. Once the rice is done, leave it for 10 minutes, then naturally release the air. Isn't the egg rice looks great? Next time, serve this amazing recipe with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to subscribe.